Hey everybody, welcome back to A Brief on Grief. As you can see, a little bit of a different video today, a little bit of a different background. This is my kitchen and my Def Leppard flag. Well, Union Jack flag, but I'll call it Def Leppard flag. Yeah, a little bit of a different video today. I'm just popping in for a short bit. There will be the usual grief video here today. I'm popping in to just share with you, for the last week, I've been doing an unplug. So getting quiet with myself, unplugging from texts and emails and social media, phone calls, and just getting really still and quiet with myself at this powerful time of the beginning of the year to listen to my body and see what my heart is saying about what I want to create for this year. And it's been glorious. It's been so glorious, so much so that I'm doing it again for another week. So I realized I wanted to come in and just give you a quick update on this today by plugging in for a short bit. And now I'm unplugging again for another week. And I will see you again in a week or so. Until next time, enjoy. Okay, bye.